Hello guys! For today's video,
Nice.
so ayun na nga guys, na-order tayo ng 2-piece chicken. Bali 3 chicken yan guys. And guys, yung ibang balat guys, yung mapapansin nyo, yung ibang balat dyan is napunta na kay baby.
Yeah, boy.
So ayun na nga guys, napaka-solid niya, no? You know, napaka-crunchy, napaka-juicy, napakalutong ng kanyang balat niyan guys. Then ang sarap din ng kanilang kanin guys. Tsaka napaka-solid ng kanilang chicken. Napakalaki ng chicken guys. Wow! Napaka-solid din ng kanilang gravy guys. Ayan guys, oh, yung wings nila guys, napaka-solid. Napaka-solid. Napaka-yummy. Napaka-creamy ng kanyang gravy. Napaka-solid din guys ng kanilang kanin. Parang quality talaga yung kanin nila guys. Ayan guys, yung fries nila guys, oh. Yan, napaka-juicy. Ang ano din nila guys, ang generous din nila magbigay ng ano no, ng french fries. Tsaka solid talaga yung french fries na napaka-crispy talaga niya guys. Then ayun na nga guys, napaka-solid. Yan guys yung chicken nila. Napaka-creamy. Napaka-juicy. Napaka-init niyan guys. So ayun na nga guys. If you like this video, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Ingat!